Hi, in this video we are going to talk about getting Elway outstation ride notifications. We hope that if you are seeing this video, then you already have installed Elway driver application. So you can see that the we have two applications, Elway and Elway driver. So Elway driver application comes with the sky blue background. So when we open it, after opening it, it is very important to keep the driver application always online. You can see that green button here. It should be always online to get the notifications. So we have already scheduled one ride from here to Pune airport, and we will take that as a reference to explain how we get the notification, how to check the amount for that particular ride, and then how to start and how to complete it. So you can see that this is a screen where you can see these horizontal vertical bars, which explains, if you click on that, then you can see how many bookings you got for the month, and then what are your earnings and the tax and unsettled charges. So if you click on each of them, you can get details up to the last 6 months. And here on the menu side, you can see the payment option, right details, account settlement, language help, and frequently asked questions. So let's wait for the notification. Yeah, so when you get the notification, you get this sound. If your screen is already open, then you will not get the sound, but if you are away from your phone, then you will get the sound. So you can see that along with here, you can see from pickup and drop location, it is for the new airport Pune, and the scheduled times are mentioned here. But if you want to know how much amount you will get for it, then you have to click here I button. Then you can see the right type, whether it's outstation, AC, non-AC, whether it's a return journey. Approximate total you will see here 7,707 and approximate 274 kilometer. Then you go back and you still have some time to accept the ride. So you are 100% sure that you are getting what is the required, and then you accept it. Once you accept it, you see the options of calling and the navigation. So if you think that it is better to talk with the customer before going to his pickup location, then you can simply click on this, and then you will see the number of that particular passenger. You can talk with him and go after you agree with him, and then you have a navigation option so that it directs you to go directly to the pickup point of that particular passenger. And once you go there, you need to mention there that you have arrived. So you have to click on this arrive now button. So here is a trick actually. If you are not in the range of 500-meter, this button will always highlight you that you are not near the pickup location. So you always need to go in the range of 500 meters of the pickup location, then only this button will get activated. So right now we are at the same position, so we will not have any problem. So let's click on the arrive now. So I click on arrive now. After clicking arrive now, you see that OTP option comes here. So once your customer is ready, you just need to ask him the OTP and put that in the space here. So if you click on this OTP, then you get the numbering option. Then you need to ask OTP. So for this particular ride, the OTP is 0954. So you click it, and then you have to click on the begin ride. So here on the demand from customers and a lot of users, that the precision in kilometer is missing in some other platforms, so we have added that option in our case. So once you click on the begin ride, you have to take the picture of odometer. So right now I have for demo purpose, I already have a picture which I'm taking from a laptop. So it's already been 0, so you click on this, and then you see that 0.00 kilometer. Then you see here on the left side there is a retake option. So if sometime your picture is not clear, then you need to retake it until you get the clear picture, because this is a very important proof you have in case of any problems in future after completing the rides. So right now I can see that the picture is clear, so I will save it. And after saving it, you have to again manually enter the reading. So it's 0 for this, and then OK. Now you get the option of navigation. So if you feel that you are far away from the, or you need the navigation, then you can click on the navigation again, so it will directly guide you to your drop location. If not, then we have already given this navigation option on the user app, so he can also check on, he or she can also check on his own. So it is a demo purpose. So now once you reach your destination, you have to click on the complete ride button. So once you complete it, you have to again take the picture of your drop kilometer or end kilometer. So here again you see that the picture is coming blur, but still you have to click in order to get it focused. Then again you take retake. When you say retake, you see that it's getting a little bit better. So again retake. You have to take the picture until you get the clear image, otherwise there is no use of taking picture. So retake again. Now it seems better. Oh, it feels that some problem with the phone. Okay, then it's clear now. 334.5, it's clear. Then I have taken it, save it. So then again you have to enter the kilometer. So 334.5. You have to be careful while entering the points also, because this is the input which has been considered for the calculations and the proof of the pictures. So then in some cases, in some regions, there are some rate fluctuation with the AC and non-AC use, but in major metropolitan cities that is not an issue. But if you see that if customer has used the AC or not, then you can put your click here accordingly. So it's asking, did rider utilize the AC? So let's say yes, then you click here and then you say OK. So your bill will get generated and you see that all the details. So basically now customer can pay in both options, online and offline. So once if he pays online, then the payment will go in company's account, Airways account, and then it will be given to the driver or the cab owner, and then the settlement will happen. And the second option is the cash collection. So if the customer is ready to pay cash, then you just need to press the cash collected button, so that it confirms that cash has been given to the driver, or it's the payment has been made. And it's your responsibility to be with the user until your payments are settled from whether it's online or it's cash. So once you receive the cash, it's very important to click on the cash collected, otherwise user will not be able to book the next ride. So be aware of this and be serious about this option. So let's say you have collected the cash, so you have to click on cash collected option. Okay, so once you click on that, you get the message on top, payment has been done successfully. So in both cases, whether it is online or offline or cash, you should get this option, or you should get this message until you should not free or release the user. So if you want to know again, you need to go on the menu, then you have a ride details, then you have a past, then you can see here your ride number, and you can click on this I button, and then you see all the details of your billing. This will be shown on the user side also, and it will be in the Airways database also in case of the reference or in case of any problem during the journeys. So you can see all the details here. In case of the remote areas, 100% return charge will be given, but in case of the metropolitan cities, as per the the requirements, 50%, 40%, 85% return charges will be given. So now you can see all the details, and if you want to see the 0 kilometer proof, it is here, and if you want to see the end kilometer proof 334.5, it is here. So we hope that this is enough information for you guys to know how to accept the ride, complete the ride, and settle the payment or collect the payment. And if you still have any questions on the Elway, to know more about Elway, you can simply install Elway user application, and then we have a call option there. So you can call from that option, and then you can talk with our customer care people. They will help you in all your questions. And we are again trying to make some short videos so that all the knowledge will be available online for you people. But for today or for this video, I think whatever we want to say, it's already been said. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.